Federal government deadly air pollution alert. New federal government studies have found that indoor air pollution is 10 times more toxic than outdoor air. This air pollution has been linked to Alzheimer's and cancer. The new Thunderstorm 3 air purifier purifies air 100 times better than HEPA air purifiers 20 times its size. It destroys air pollution linked to Alzheimer's and cancer that HEPAs do not. The Thunderstorm 3 also eliminates all home odors permanently. The Thunderstorm 3 purifies the air like nature's thunderstorm with super oxygen and like nature's sun with plasma. The Thunderstorm 3 eliminates 99.9% of air pollution, including deadly viruses and germs. Government studies also show the air pollution in your car and truck is even worse than in your home. It is also linked to lung cancer. The Thunderstorm 3 will eliminate all air pollution in your car and truck. Thunderstorm 3 has no filters to replace. It runs super quiet. Just plug it into an electrical outlet and forget it. Customers rave about the Thunderstorm 3.
I bought 3 Thunderstorms. I gave my stepdad 2, one for the basement and one for upstairs. And for the first time in years, he didn't need his inhaler. He's not easily impressed, but these are great.
I have 3 dogs that sleep in a spare bedroom in my home. The odor in the bedroom got so bad that it had me gagging. I tried everything, including washing everything with sanitizers and odor cover-ups. I then got the EdenPURE Thunderstorm Super Air Purifier. I put it in the bedroom at 8 p.m. one night. When I got up in the morning, all the odors were entirely gone and the room smelled fresh like a thunderstorm. The EdenPURE Thunderstorm is super.
If you act right now, you can get the EdenPURE Thunderstorm 3 at a big discount. Just go to EdenPURE.com. EdenPURE.com, that's EdenPURE.com.